Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you may or may not know, I'm heading to a wedding of my friend's Aunt Neely in 2 weeks time and I've not bought anything to wear yet. So yesterday I went onto a website that you might be familiar with called Chi Chi London, and I've got 3 dresses. 2 are in sale and 1 is full price. So this is going to be a very quick mini try on haul. So as you see, I have not opened it yet, so I don't know how these are going to fit or anything, but I thought I would just show you a little try on haul and see what they're like. So hopefully in here I'm going to have the outfit because we're kind of running out of time now, and being a busy mum I've just not got time to go out shopping. So I'm hoping that online has done me a good one and I've got something in here that is going to be suitable to wear. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, then my name is Ash and I would love you to hit subscribe and stick around for more videos from me in the future. Also, there will be a playlist in the description box to show you all of my other fashion hauls, like Primark stuff and whatever. So go and check that out if you love watching haul videos. And I'm going to open up this bag and get into it. As you can see behind me, we have no furniture because we're in the middle of moving home. So I've got nowhere to sit down to do this video. But anyway, let's open up this bag and see what we've got inside. So my total order, that's a 25% off. That's not the order. Where's the order form? There it is there. So it's not telling me the prices of each of the items, but I do know that the orders came to £175. Are you just picking up you so you can see the fashion haul? Yeah? Yeah. You with your tub of tuna. No carbs for the wedding. 3 dresses. This is the first one I'm going to pick up here. The packaging's really noisy, so you might not even be able to hear me, but this is the first dress here. I ordered all of these in a 12. I'm still in a size 12 just now, even though I've been trying to lose weight. I've not really went down a dress size. It just seems to be that that size fits me better now. So this is the first dress here. It's like a kind of organza at the top, and then it's got the kind of built-in sort of like bodice at the top there. It's sweetheart neckline, it's got some embroidery on, and I just like the fact that this is like sheer, and it's a lovely colour as well. It's a nude, so it's quite a nice kind of romantic style dress. I really like it, so hopefully that fits nicely. I'm going to try that one on first. Oh, in fact, look at the back. It's got fabric covered buttons. My sister-in-law and I are obsessed with these. When I was wedding dress shopping, anytime we've seen these we got excited. So yeah, Fraser's going to be my wardrobe assistant to help me get into this stuff. I'm going to pull the blind down. Okay, so admittedly I do need a fake tan, so it's probably making me look quite washed out just now. But this is the first dress, and at first I didn't think it was going to fit. I've had to take my bra off because it's backless and it's quite supportive. In fact, the fact that you don't need to wear a bra is quite good. So it's sheer at the back, it's got all the embroidery on the sleeves that you can see, and then all the little buttons. It actually fits quite nice. I probably could do with maybe losing about £1 or 2 just so it fits it better, but I really like it. It's quite wedding-y. I can imagine wearing this with like a nice fascinator and some nude accessories, and it's really nice. So I'm probably just going to keep this anyway because I'm imagining there will be something I need to wear it to eventually. But how nice are these sleeves? They're just so lovely, and like this material is quite stretchy as well, which is unusual. But yeah, overall I really like this one. Okay, I've like half undone this, but I thought I would just open this one up with you. So this one is like a nice blue shade, and this is probably going to go with Fraser's outfit the best because he's wearing like navies, so that we kind of like tie in nicely together. This is a gorgeous colour. It's very much like a Cinderella dress, isn't it? It's gorgeous, very creased, but I'm going to try it on and see how it is. It's full length, so I'm going to have to like zoom out again so that you can see it. But yeah, it looks lovely. I just don't know if that's going to be too small because it looks quite neat. Right, this is a disaster, this one. I'll show you a full length in a minute. It wouldn't even fasten up, it's really tight. But it's kind of like giving me the feeling that I'm trying to be the bride in blue. I don't know what I was thinking when I even tried to order this, because it's basically like a simple wedding dress in light blue. It's horrific. It's really, really tight, and the way that all the panels are on like the stomach and everything, just your belly button is so noticeable. It's like a crater. Can anyone see this? Nah, I'm not a fan at all. And I don't know what's going on with these strap bits here. I don't know if you're supposed to wear them up or down so that you can like have this off the bottom. I just don't know what's going on with it. It looks horrendous. Yeah, I'm not even going to show. In fact, I'll show a full length. That's it, it's full length. It's just a bit, I don't know, it's a bit aerial, isn't it? It's a bit mermaidy. Nah. I'm not a fan. Do you know what I feel like I look like? I look like a light blue dancing emoji. No, I'm not a fan. I need to get out of this ASAP. Are you actually looking at me?
Oh.
Do you know what this looks like? What's Cinderella's sister? Drizella?
No idea.
Priscilla, whatever their names are. I'm the cobalt, not the cobalt, the teal one. The one with the red hair. I'm her. I'm actually going to do a side-by-side comparison right now because I look like her. Missing the bow in the hair. What are these? I don't know what these are supposed to do. Do they even serve a purpose? No, they just, no. Anyway, this one is too tight across the boobs. It'll go up at the back, it's still a bit snug, but disappointing because I really like the colour of it. It's probably the colour that I was going for, but it's like really short. Like there, if I literally take a step out, it's like pants to the wind. There's no way that I can wear this. That's so disappointing. Had it been a bit longer and bigger and minus these, then yeah, because I actually like the way that it fits across here. I tried on something similar in Reese when we were in London, and it's probably the same colour and a kind of similar shoulder kind of neckline, but nah, this is also braless as well, so the fact that it's not zipping up is concerning. But yeah, that's been a big fail, which is disappointing, so back to the drawing board. Okay, I feel deflated. I thought that one of them would have worked, but nah. Even the other one that I actually like, it's not probably nice enough for the wedding. I don't know. Oh, I'm confused. I'm just worried that if I keep that one, I'm not going to be slim enough to wear it, but I do like that one for maybe Christmas time. You know, the one that's pink, the other one. Yeah, I just don't know what to do. Back to the drawing board, and also can I just say, see the lining inside these? Silky lining, it's actually so uncomfortable. Like, it's not a nice material against my skin, it just feels really sleazy. Is the only word to describe it. I just, nah, I don't know, I'm just very disappointed. I think the pictures on the website looked amazing, but in reality, it never worked. Total expectation versus reality moment going on here. £175, I'm probably going to have to wait about 30 days to get back, no doubt. Very quick at taking your money, never very quick to refund it. Why is that? Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and it was obviously very informative. Like, don't buy dresses from there. Nah, that's not fair. They obviously are a good website, because I've seen people wearing dresses from there before and they look amazing. They obviously just don't work for my body type or whatever. Anyway, I'm going to go just now, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video anyway, and watching my disappointment just unravel throughout the video, and I will see you very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.